Thanks to user Eternity Labs on MakerWorld, today we are 3D printing a flying disc, most commonly known as a frisbee. This print took 1.3 hours and used 24 grams of PLA filament.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more 3D printing content and live streams. Thank you for watching.